Oh, what do we have here? Police surprise woman shoplifting after she steals $1,000 worth of clothing. It ain't nothing worse than getting caught red-handed while you in the middle of doing a crime.
We're not gonna play that. Just turn up against me.
No.
Come on.
Hey, bro, chill.
Stop.
Let me go.
I thought that was a dude. I thought that was the producer for Chief Keef, the big black guy.
July 12th, 2024 in Ohio. Police were called in reference to a woman actively shoplifting in a sporting goods store.
Still here? Yeah, she's still
here.
Sorry about that. Black pigtails, huge backpack. What's she stuffed with?
Now she's stealing out of dicks.
You know where she went? I haven't seen her. So when she came in, the backpack was actually open and completely empty. She's been in the fitting room with Nike and Adidas product. Came out, it's absolutely fine.
Manager's asking for you to go over to a golf.
Okay. Hi. You open up your backpack?
Why?
Because you have items in there that don't belong to you?
That's not true.
Okay, well, open up your backpack.
No, I don't have to do anything for you. I don't even know why you're approaching me. Out of everybody in the store,
She gave him that look like, dude, why are you harassing me?
I've been in the dressing room. I've looked at everything that I want to.
Oh, that's right there. All right. We're not going to play that. Just turn up against me back there.
No.
Come on.
Hey, bro,
Stop.
chill.
Stop.
Hey, let me go.
Nah, don't run. Oh. This big one is a fast one. She moved like a hippo.
Oh, my hair, bro.
He just jumped on the back of her hair.
Stop. Put my shoes on.
Is them even your shoes?
Stop.
Put my shoes on. Stop. Please let me put my shoes on.
Stop.
If you was trying to boost, you need to get with a boosting club because this ain't the way you boost at all.
Bro, if you keep pushing me, there's no way we... Stop.
Stop now.
Bro.
Stop. Stop.
Oh, blah!
Please let me
Bang,
go.
bang.
Stop.
Bro, you don't even
Put your
know
hands
what's
behind your
going
back.
on.
Stop. Stop.
I'm not even allowed to pay for my stuff.
Stop. Stop.
Y'all tripping.
You know you wasn't going to play for it. Come on now, stop playing.
I'm trying to pay for my shit.
In the backpack?
No. No.
Stop.
Y'all tripping. Y'all not even gonna let me pay for my shit.
No, you put it in your bag.
It's in that bag. Bro, chill out. Bro, for real, chill.
Listen, you're about stop right now. You're gonna dump in the face.
Y'all tripping. I can't even put my shoes on.
Right
Can I at least put my shoes on?
When we're done.
She got chin hair. She been taking that shit, to grow facial hair.
Bro,
I'm trying to be nice right
hey,
now.
you're not being nice. Y'all don't even know me.
We know that you stealing. They didn't have to take the book bag off neither.
Fuck.
Why did it have to turn into that?
Why did you turn it into that?
You ran from me. Now you're going to go to
Yeah,
jail.
because you're tripping.
Because now you're going to go to jail.
Why do I gotta go to jail?
Because you stole stuff.
I didn't steal anything. Items that belong to me.
That all belongs to you?
Yes. Yes. I've been to the register.
Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me or stick me?
No,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, she do. Yes, she do.
Those are what I wanted to pay for.
Did you steal them keys too? When I catch somebody stealing, I don't trust the goddamn thing they say at all. They probably stole what they said from somebody.
I don't have a bag.
Yeah, we're good. Yeah.
What the fuck?
Let's get it in the car. All right.
And then she stole some butters.
Can I get my shoes? One shoe is right there. Can I get it?
We'll get it for you now.
It's right there. Where's the other one?
I don't know. You ran.
Yeah, because you're tripping. You instantly came up to me and started harassing me. The fuck? No, they didn't.
Where's your other shoe at?
I'm looking.
Probably over there somewhere. I see it. Why did you have to turn into that?
That's what I want to know.
You were gonna go home with a summons.
That's it. A fucking ticket. And instead, you trying to run away. Now, you know your big ass was not supposed to be trying to do nothing with running.
Okay.
You were gonna get a summons for all this.
That'd have been fine.
But if it's over $1,000, look, it might be a felony.
It's not over $1,000.
How much is in there?
I don't know.
It might be.
It's not.
It might be.
It's not.
What? She had another bag. Oh, that bag.
Yeah, this had the Timberlands in it, ton of hats.
And that's another thing. When you stealing, you only supposed to steal 600. Don't get too close to 750.
Take a look at that one.
We'll probably have to go with just what she had on her. Did she have that in her hand?
Well, this was on her back. That was on her back. This one is in her hand. So
Okay.
both of
All right, let's go outside.
Okay, first of all, that's my backpack.
Why did that have to happen?
I don't know. Why did you force it?
Come on. So you're gonna steal and then act like it's my fault?
No, I'm tripping on you because
That shit is diabolical. Stealing and getting mad at somebody else for catching you stealing. Yo, ain't going to jail.
Okay, you're right. Should I just let you steal and walk out of here with a bunch of stuff?
Who said I was walking out with it?
It was in your book bag.
And my wallet is right there. You don't know what was going on. Sir?
Nice job, guys.
All right, wait, come here real quick. I gotta make sure you don't have anything else. Do you have anything else on
Yes,
my file?
I do.
What do you have?
A fucking hoodie in my pants.
Where at?
In my pants.
How the fuck you get that right there? Of course, in Akron. Of course.
Can I just get a summons? I'm tired of it.
Not even in a million years.
What do you mean?
Why you can't just give me a summons? Y'all chase me. I don't though. If you check, I promise you it's not.
I don't know. Dick's is pretty expensive.
Very.
I'm telling you, I don't have.
You did better stealing out a Payless. Damn, do they even make Paylesses anymore? Hell, you did better stealing out of anywhere, but Dick's is expensive, bro.
Over
Shit.
$1,000 worth of stuff. You can check. And if you check, can I please get a summons?
No.
Why not?
If you were cooperating from the very beginning, yes.
But you didn't give me a chance to. You instantly started harassing me like
asked
I
you to
did
open
something.
your bag because it's full of
Her voice does not match her body.
stuff that you didn't come in with. You
No,
could have
you
opened your bag and
didn't.
then that would have been it. You would have got a summons. I guarantee you. If you would have been cooperating with me, instead you
Please,
pulled
sir,
away and
I
tried to
can't
run from me.
afford to do this. My mom just, on my birthday, I'm just trying to
well,
make it ends meet.
Get your feet in.
Please, sir.
We'll talk about it. Get your feet in, okay?
Will you please? You'll
No,
talk
get your
to me
feet
with
in.
it?
We'll talk about it in a second, but you gotta get your feet in.
I'll do that. But please, sir, I'm having a hard time.
You about to have an even harder time now, cause them prison costs, them shit's not easy. You gotta get somebody to get you out there, you gotta pay them back, you gotta get a bond, you gotta pay court costs. On top of the shit that you already got going on, you just made a lot worse.
So what happened? Let's step back here.
From what point?
From
Like
the
when
beginning,
she was stuff in her bag. Yeah, you know,
You don't have to go into detail of that. So she was stuffing stuff
stuff
in
in
her bag.
her bag. Called PD the first time. They came out, but you know, in and out of fitting room, whatever. So she finally came out. I called PD again. Her bags were stuffed. She obviously put a bunch of stuff in there, and the response was fantastic. You guys came right out, saw her in the corner, indicated where she was, walked up to her, said, "Hey, you know, what's going on today?" She got kind of short right off the cuff. Said, "Don't bother me. You know, mind your own business, whatever." And then, you know, we found just the Timberlands, the open box of Timberlands. I said, "There's Timberlands in the bag." I opened the bag, started taking off. 1,019.97.
Okay.
Oh shit, that's a felony, babe.
I don't know what that does.
That's just the stuff that's in her book bag?
That's not in the carton. It's just the stuff in the 2 bags and the 1 bag.
The woman was taken into custody and charged with resisting arrest and shoplifting.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.